The U.S. Congress issued a public remark that has the potential to rapidly increase the value of Ripple's XRP to $10,000 per token, a move that shocked both the financial and industries. This development creates a historic precedent for government engagement in digital currencies, in addition to upending the Bitcoin industry. Stakeholders are frantically adjusting their tactics, ranging from Wall Street to Silicon Valley. This statement has far-reaching consequences that go well beyond simple investing portfolios. The complexities of this phenomenon will be examined in detail in this essay, along with any prospective effects, the mechanisms behind the price spike, and the wider ramifications for the world economy. The business that created XRP, Ripple, was established with the goal of transforming international financial transactions. In contrast to Bitcoin, which was intended to be a decentralized digital currency, XRP was developed to let banks and other financial institutions send money internationally quickly. One important feature that sets XRP apart from many other cryptocurrencies is its unique consensus ledger, which eliminates the need for mining. Transactions become quicker as well as more energy efficient as a result. Comprehending the workings of XRP is essential to appreciating the possible significance of Congress's declaration. The currency is used as more than just a means of speculation, but as a useful instrument in the international financial system. A statement just released by the U.S. Congress might significantly raise the price of XRP. Although the statement's details are being examined, its main point was evident. XRP might be quite important in the world economy in the future. The price of XRP quickly increased on the cryptocurrency market as a result. Together with increased trading volumes, analysts and investors are both closely following the events as they attempt to predict how this legislative interest will play out in the long run. This section of the story focuses on comprehending the announcement's timing and motivations in addition to the announcement itself. In this environment, the political and economic landscapes are crucial. To some, the prediction that XRP will hit $10,000 may appear unrealistic. However, a number of analysts have presented circumstances in which this might be possible. These include substantial changes in regulatory environments, technical breakthroughs, and widespread usage in the banking industry. Experts predict that in order for XRP to achieve such highs, extensive adoption, as well as a complete reorganization of the present financial systems to incorporate blockchain technology would be necessary. This estimate is supported by economic models that consider variables like inflation rates, expansion of the world economy, and the growing digitalization of monetary systems. Even though it is difficult, the technical viability is not impossible. The dynamics of the market changed noticeably after the news. An upsurge in buying activity and an increase in positive commentary in financial forums and social media are indicators of a surge in investor confidence, but such enthusiasm frequently results in unstable market conditions. Analyzing if investors are truly confident in XRP's long-term survival or if this mood is the result of speculative trading is crucial. Gaining an understanding of these market dynamics can help one determine whether the price levels suggested by Congress are sustainable as well as possible future fluctuations. The regulatory environment pertaining to cryptocurrencies has been intricate and diverse in various jurisdictions. A favorable vote from the U.S. Congress, however, might result in a more cohesive regulatory structure, at least domestically, that could act as a template internationally. Clearer rules for the use and trading of cryptocurrencies, stronger financial protections, and possibly even new legislation created expressly to include these digital assets into the domestic economy are some examples of potential regulatory improvements. These adjustments go beyond simple bureaucracy. They have the potential to drastically influence how people view and use cryptocurrencies globally. The consequences of XRP's price hitting such a high level go well beyond personal investments or balance sheets of corporations. It has the potential to completely transform international financial transactions, drastically cutting prices and transfer times. This would have a significant influence on trade and economic policy worldwide. Moreover, countries who are currently shut out of some markets because of financial obstacles may be able to access them more equally if XRP were to become a mainstay in international finance, possibly changing the structure of the world economy. This section delves into these wider ramifications, offering a thorough understanding of what $10,000 per XRP would entail globally. There are numerous instances in history where market projections have either greatly failed or succeeded. By contrasting the current state of affairs with historical antecedents, important insights regarding market psychology can be extracted. Technical integrations and regulatory reactions. Knowing these trends aids in forecasting and planning for possible future events, from the dot-com bubble to the more recent housing market catastrophe. Even with the optimistic forecast, there are a number of obstacles that could prevent XRP from reaching $10,000. Regulatory obstacles, technical scalability, and market saturation are a couple of the possible roadblocks. Moreover, it is important to recognize the risks involved in such rapid value growth. These include manipulating the market, creating speculative bubbles, and abrupt declines that could cause uneducated investors to suffer substantial losses. By talking about these risks and obstacles, stakeholders are better prepared for a range of scenarios and may see XRP's possible future from a more balanced perspective. Significant technological breakthroughs would be required for XRP to attain and maintain a value of $10,000. These include security upgrades, scalability improvements for blockchain, and possibly even new algorithms for quicker and more effective transactions. Leading the way in blockchain technology, Ripple is constantly improving its products. This section explores Ripple's present technology capabilities as well as what would be needed to manage such a sharp rise in value and market demand. The regulatory environment pertaining to cryptocurrencies is continually changing. A number of legal disputes have centered around Ripple, which has affected the cryptocurrency's market value and public reputation. This section looks at current legal proceedings concerning Ripple and how their resolution may impact the $10,000 estimate's viability. It also takes into account any future legal disputes that might surface when the market becomes used to such a high valuation. Beyond the congressional statement's immediate effects, there are a lot of opportunities for Ripple and XRP's long-term future. This entails advancing blockchain technology continuously, growing alliances with international financial institutions, and maybe inventing brand new financial services and products. Although making predictions about the future is always speculative, one can get a fairly accurate idea of what to expect from Ripple and XRP in the upcoming years by examining existing patterns and plans. The possibility of a $10,000 rise in Ripple might have a cascading effect on the whole cryptocurrency market, depending on investor perceptions and market conditions. Other significant cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum may have either positive or negative spillovers. This section examines these possible effects, analyzing the potential effects of various situations on the cryptocurrency ecosystem, which might have an impact on anything from market capitalization to technological advancement. The implications of the congressional statement have elicited differing responses from the public and media. Some media sources have welcomed it as a revolutionary breakthrough, but others have viewed it with suspicion. Knowing this range of responses makes it easier to assess how people feel generally about cryptocurrencies and whether or not they are accepted in the mainstream of financial conversation. It also emphasizes how the media shapes consumer trends and public opinion. In summary, even though the goal of XRP hitting $10,000 may sound lofty, there is precedent for it, and it is conceivable. The many ramifications of this evolution have been examined in this essay, ranging from market dynamics and regulatory adjustments to technology breakthroughs and effects on the world economy. In the future, how the events around XRP and Ripple play out will probably have a big impact on the state of digital currencies. It is imperative for stakeholders to be knowledgeable and flexible in order to adjust to the swiftly changing landscape of digital banking.